Hi everyone, it's Nicolette here from Journey and Daughters in Remuera, your home for premium chalk paint and furniture decor in Auckland. So today I just want to do a bit of a follow-up on the transfers from a few weeks ago, where I did kind of a bit of a basic. This time I want to go and just show you how to put it on a piece of actual furniture. So if you do have any questions, please pop them in the comments. I've actually got Tracy behind the camera today, so she can let me know any questions. And like normal, I will save this live and then put it up on our blog as well. So today I am putting the transfers on this really pretty bedside. We have painted it in grassmere. You can see it's a really beautiful soft pale pink. And then we are using the lovely Ledger transfer. So this is what most of the transfers come like. This one here came in 3 different sheets that look like this, hopefully you can see. And I've actually only used one of these sheets to create this, and I've just cut up, hopefully this isn't too loud, just cut up different bits and pieces of it to create different things on here. I'll just put this aside. So you can see here, I've done this side already, and I've also done around on this side too. So just check, is this part in? Yeah. So I'm going to do here the last little bit. So I'm going to put this here on, this bumblebee bee. And when you're wanting to work out where you're putting it, cut it out and leave the backing on, and use the tape to figure out where you want it. So I'm pretty happy with it like that. Now I'm going to take this backing here off. So I've got the actual transfer. So again, just placing it on like so. I don't really need the tape on, but this here is the little stick that comes with it. And you just want to, might peel the tape off, to really burnish it on with the stick. So you're just rubbing. It's the same as what I did before, but obviously this has a few little bits to it with the curves of the drawer. So rub it in really well, using the edge of the stick here, getting it right into this bit of the drawer. And then I'm just going to very carefully wrap it around. And get it all the way right up, and the same here. So again, just really carefully wrapping it around. Now these grey lines here are actually lines on the top layer, just if you're doing a big straight piece, to give you a guide. Okay, so you can see this is already starting to peel off. So I do a little more there. And you can see when you're peeling it off if any more needs to be done. You just go back over with your stick. This bit doesn't want to stick on. That's fine. Here we go, this is all just coming off. And then you just get your fingers and smooth it out, any little bits. Right, so, and then, oops, I've just got my flathead screwdriver, because I had it when I was doing the handle, but just using it to press in any of the little bits here, so I can pull my drawer out. So then pull it out and just run your fingers back over to make sure it's fully burnished. So that's fully stuck on. So that's fully stuck on. So now you would seal it with your wax or your lacquer. I'll just give a quick example, but I'll finish it tomorrow because I think I might do some coloured wax and probably some gilding wax as well. I've got any wax in my tin. So pretty much you would just go straight over, and this just really helps. So you can use lacquers, but this just really helps to re-burnish it on. And that there would be it finished. And then you just let your wax dry for a little bit, and then you're done. So yeah, if you have any questions, pop them in the comments, and we will get back to you. And yes, as I said, I'll put this up on our blog, and we'll share the finished piece later on this week. I hope you have a great afternoon. We're going to go watch the racing, hence why we did this a little bit early. See you.